This incredible Brentwood 2 with media floor plan from Gallery Custom Homes, located in the newest phase of Heron's Bay Estates in Garland, Texas, is a 5-bedroom, 3 and 1/2 bath, 2-car garage floor plan that offers 4,245 square feet of luxury to suit your family's needs. This eye-catching 2-story home plan features brick and stone masonry and an extended covered front porch that offers remarkable curb appeal. As you pass through the beautiful custom door into the foyer, you'll find an elegant formal living and dining room with tray ceilings, double crown molding, and large beautiful windows, the perfect space for entertaining families and friends. The chef's dream kitchen showcases a center island with marble quartz countertops, 42-inch shaker-style cabinets with upgraded upper cabinet, shown here with our unique in-lighting and glass front door selections, built-in stainless steel oven, microwave, 5-burner gas cooktop with decorative backsplash, a spacious butler's pantry, and a huge walk-in pantry with a glass front door. The adjacent breakfast nook is bathed in natural light, and it flows seamlessly into the family room, where you'll find a beautiful spiral staircase with balcony, marvelous high ceilings, floor-to-ceiling windows looking out onto the backyard, gorgeous accent wall with wainscoting wall treatment, pre-wiring for surround sound, and a beautiful custom tile fireplace with custom mantle. Tucked behind the staircase is a private study featuring French doors, large closet, coffer ceilings, custom shelving, and a large window with window seating, perfect for a home office. And around the corner is the full powder bath with shower and custom tile. The private master suite features a tray ceiling, double crown molding, and a quiet reading corner with bay windows bathed in natural light. Escape to the luxurious master bath with spa-quality features including split vanities with a makeup area, a relaxing corner garden tub, an extended walk-in shower with custom tile, and a large master closet. Make your way upstairs and you'll find a game room with plenty of space for the kids to do their own thing. And it flows right into the media room with a vaulted ceiling, decorative lighting, a large closet, a wet bar with cabinet and shelving space, and projection and surround sound wiring, perfect for movie night. 4 additional secondary bedrooms with vaulted ceilings and large closets, a Jack and Jill bath, and another full bath complete the second floor. This Brentwood 2 floor plan also includes an extended covered patio with outdoor speaker wiring and a huge backyard with plenty of room for entertaining family and friends. This magnificent Brentwood 2 with media floor plan is now available to be built in the community of Heron's Bay Estates in Garland, Texas. Call or visit Gallery Custom Homes to find out more about building the Brentwood 2 with media floor plan or purchasing one of our move-in ready homes. When you finance your new First Texas, Gallery Custom, or Harwood home with the American Dream Team of Supreme Lending, you'll receive a $3,000 gift card to Nebraska Furniture Mart, compliments of First Texas Homes. Make sure to ask us about our Supreme Rate Guarantee. We are so confident in our low rates, if we cannot beat another lender's rate, we'll pay you $5,000.